O-belt is out. This is our condition of the O-belt. This is like, it is time. I don't know why it's only 100,000 miles and it's so much ready to go here. Every inch of this real estate is saying, change me. All right, let's check out the new one. Part number. Let's see if we're in close to the diameter. Yep. How many we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 land, I would say. The valleys are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 valleys. This guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lands and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valleys. So we're good there. Next thing is the length. Are we correct in length? Length is a good match, and we're moving in. Let's go out.